Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Sure, I can provide you with a tutorial on how to list all S3 files parsed by AWS Glue from a table using the AWS Python SDK, boto3. Before we begin, make sure you have the necessary prerequisites. AWS Account. You should have an active AWS account with the necessary permissions to access AWS Glue and the S3 bucket. AWS CLI. Install and configure the AWS CLI on your machine. AWS Glue Job. You should have an AWS Glue Job already set up, and it should be configured to store the output in an S3 bucket. Boto3. Install the boto3 library in your Python environment. Now, let's proceed with the tutorial. Make sure your AWS credentials are properly configured. You can either set them up in your environment variables or use the AWS configure command. Install the boto3 library, which is the official AWS SDK for Python. Create a Python script that uses boto3 to list all S3 files parsed by AWS Glue from a table. Save the following code in a file, example list_glue_files.py. Replace the placeholder values, your _database_name, your _table_name, and your _s3_bucket_name, with your actual Glue database name, table name, and S3 bucket name. Execute the script using the following command. This script will print the list of S3 files parsed by AWS Glue for the specified database and table. That's it. You've successfully created a Python script using boto3 to list all S3 files parsed by AWS Glue from a table. ChatGPT.